Public Works and Highway Secretary Vince Dizon conducted an inspection of waterways, drainage systems, and flood control projects in Navotas. Here's the report.
Several areas in Navotas experienced massive flooding during the height of Super Typhoon Uwan. Residents were forced to wade through knee-deep water along M. Naval Street. Some even tried clearing blockages to help drain the streets. Authorities say unfinished segments of the coastal dike worsened the flooding, further intensified by high tide and storm surge. During his inspection in the area, DPWH Secretary Vince Dizon said he will request funds from President Bongbong Marcos to complete the project this year.
Halos 2 floors yung taas nung bato ng tubig dagat dito eh. So you can just imagine, ganun kataas, pasok lahat sa communities dito. Pumantay na yung tubig dagat eh. Kasi nga high tide, tapos may surge ka pa napapasok, so talagang umapaw.
The responsible contractor will also be held accountable to recover costs.
Yung isa, yung pag-aari ng high tone na barge na bumangga dyan, hindi pinapagawa. So syempre kahit maliit lang, kahit sabi mo 20 meters lang yung hindi pinapagawa, lahat ng tubig doon papasok.
The DPWH also plans to construct a new navigational gate along the river near C4 Road to strengthen flood prevention in the area.